Welcome to Urban Survivor's Recon Challenge, the ultimate adventure race. A tactical adventure race where both of you teams are going to be competing indirectly against each other in a mission.
But those missions are different. Every week, you got a new challenge.
If you get shot, there's only one way to come back to life.
The metapack. But there are also 3 more on the course.
But be careful, you can only be brought back to life twice with the metapacks. After that, it's game over. In these missions, the teams will be outfitted with simunition assault rifles, sidearms, marker knives, and any other equipment for the mission. These 2 teams will not be facing each other. No, they'll be up against my team, the Omega team, the bad guys. The Recon Challenge is like a tactical video game, except it will exercise more than your thumbs. If you want to compete in the Recon Challenge with your 3-man team, contact us. But come prepared for a workout laced with bodily danger and mental exhaustion. If you win, you will move on to the semifinals and possibly become the Recon champion with cash and prizes.